weight like a power lifter. I sift the flour from my powder picture, crop you out the picture, Prada house slipper. You take a time out, I take a dime out to dinner. In the trap, dry and leaf like a salad spinner. Silverback gorilla, stepping on a caterpillar. Flying out to Manila, contract killer. Rappers can't see me like Jack Thriller. These MCs are getting killed like Mac Miller. The number one draft pick, the Miller draft sipper. I still get chills when I think about Dilla on road doing donuts in a black Bimmer. Your honor, best daughter in the go in my honor. Big shark swimming with a shoulder piranha. Keep the noise down, I'm on the phone to my mama. Garcia Vega with the Copacabana like
Usted ya sabe lo que es esto, pa. Yeah. Cosa. Wow. Wow. Plenty work you'll never see, word to Tommy. Your shorty all in my DMs, fixated on salami. Lift Ducatis by the ocean, boasting, got my pocket bulging. Went from rookie of the year straight to coaching, no shit. Weekends in Aruba, little threats barely move me. I resemble Montezuma and you move like Jerry Cooney. Truly shitting on the game, never got trained to potty. Wreck a microphone in Brixton, Sonny Jim brought the Molly. And while I couldn't back the mirror, I was skeeting off in Oslo. Got home to a Carrera, dropped the grip on the poncho. Tripping on your missus, happy Kwanzaa, Merry Christmas. Got a 1975 Jane Fonda on my wish list. I've been pissing on your helmet, fancy dinner with the shellfish. All this cheese I melted in New Jersey, I'm like Elvis. Got a cactus in my office and my slippers made of velvet. Got a bad bitch pulling up just to headbutt my pelvis. Wow.